different on that scissor, different on that scissor, different on that scissor, different on that scissor. What's good, y'all? It's Live Good, Living Good. I'm definitely gonna be eating good because I got some McDonald's, but not some regular McDonald's. I have the new items and the Travis Scott food items. Okay, so we have a special quarter pounder, I believe. It comes with bacon, pickles, mustard, ketchup. That I got McDonald's new menu items, which is the spicy chicken nuggets and their Chips Ahoy McFlurry. So I'm trying all of that today for y'all, so stay tuned. So first, I think I'm gonna try the new items and get them out the way, and then we're gonna get into the Travis Scott. Okay, so I'm gonna eat the McFlurry first because it's melting. So basically it comes with Chips Ahoy pieces and caramel. Regular McFlurry is Oreo or M&M's, so let's see how it tastes. This is so messy. Okay. I thought the caramel was gonna be overwhelming with the Chips Ahoy, but I feel like it goes well. I feel like it kind of just tastes like the Chips Ahoy's by itself. And you know, McDonald's have very good caramel, so I'm not mad at this at all. Now we're gonna try the new spicy chicken nuggets. This is how it look. It's hot. It looks really spicy. Let's see. I'm gonna dip it in their new spicy sauce. This is good. I love spicy food. I do not really taste the spiciness at all. So for the spicy chicken nuggets, it's a very mild spice. Like, it's not spicy, it's not too much, it's not overbearing. Like, you could give this to a 2-year-old and they'll be fine. Like, it's not that spicy at all. So now we're getting into the Travis Scott. First of all, I'm very simple when I go to McDonald's. All I get is like either 6-piece nuggets, medium fries, or a regular cheeseburger. I never had like a quarter pounder. I never had Big Mac. No, I get nothing crazy from McDonald's. So this is a lot for me. This is what it looked like. Hey, so when I get McDonald's fries, I usually eat it with barbecue and ranch together. Y'all need to try that. It's so good. That's the only way to eat McDonald's fries, with barbecue and ranch. But Travis Scott only eats it with barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna eat it his way. Let's see if it's better than my way. I doubt it. Let's see. I'm not gonna hold you. It's just McDonald's barbecue sauce is so good. Like I'm scared, guys. I'm not into big burgers. This looks like a lot is going on. One more bite. It's so messy. Loki. Guys, that's good. Like, the tanginess of the pickle adds the crunch of the onions. I know, this ain't the Food Network, but no. I usually don't get pickles on my burgers or lettuce, because does lettuce come on a regular cheeseburger? I don't think so. But the tanginess of the pickle with the crunch of the onions is actually good. Honestly, I thought I was gonna take one bite, but this, like, I think I might finish it. This is actually good. Like, the bacon, I'm surprised, like, it's crunchy. I thought it was gonna be like soggy and chewy. The lettuce is not like wilted or anything. Like, this is good. Like, okay, Travi. The question is, would I change my regular menu items for this? I actually would. Like, the bacon is cooked well. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared. I don't trust McDonald's bacon, but this was good. The lettuce tastes fresh. The barbecue sauce with the fries, the barbecue sauce for McDonald's is just good, period. Like, it's tangy, it's sweet. You know, wash it down with a nice Sprite. Guys, you need to try it. I recommend it. I had to rate for what Travis Scott gets from McDonald's. From a 1 to 10, I would say I'll give this a calm 7. No, I'm eating like a legend basically. Well, that's my review, guys. Definitely give this meal a thumbs up. I definitely think you guys should try it for yourself. It's called the Travis Scott meal. Also, they have the new menu items, spicy chicken nuggets. It's not that spicy, guys. Try it. And the Chips Ahoy McFlurry. It's the best McFlurry out of all of them. Okay, try it out. And then let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So watching, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I drop every Sunday, and click the post notifications bell so you can get notified when I post. Thanks for watching, guys.